We must always remember that this tragedy has forever changed the lives of 2 Saskatchewan families, and the rule of law is a fundamental principle of our democracy. The process has taken place, and we need to respect the decision of the jury and of our courts, as well as be respectful of any potential future proceedings.
There's been some work done about the composition of juries by former Supreme Court Justice Colten Boushie in Ontario. There were some recommendations made about how peremptory challenges are handled and how juries should be made up. I think we're open to have those kind of discussions with the federal government. If they choose to have them, we'd be willing participants to have them. We don't want to do it in the context of the present case before the courts to make any comment on that, but it's a worthwhile discussion to have. We have taken nothing off the table, so we want to hear from First Nations leaders. But I think the comments that people are making that they want to see more Indigenous people involved in the system is a fair comment.
We have a justice system here in this province that is about a century old, about a century old, and it is a justice system that I think serves us well. But in saying that, it is fair for us as our communities and our society evolves that we have that conversation to ensure that the laws that we have in this land also evolve as we move forward. Well, I would again remind people to be responsible for things that they may enter online on social media, but also responsible for their verbal comments that they may make, and to think twice. This is not who we are as people of the province of Saskatchewan. And when individuals, not groups of individuals, but when individuals make comments that would be considered racist, and there is no place for that in the province of Saskatchewan. It does nothing to get us to the better place that we are heading. This is a difficult dialogue, but it's a dialogue that us as the government of Saskatchewan are committed to having with community leaders across the province.